Well, this morning I am out photographing fall foliage. Let's see if we can get some good colors this morning. Well, I finally got a chance to go out and try to photograph some foliage this year. Drove up to Putnam County, New York at the West Branch Reservoir. It's the northern end of it. And you can see behind me I've got some decent color. I think I'm pretty close to peak season here. So as the sun rises, I'm hoping the colors brighten up even more and I can get some good shots. Well, I got pretty lucky this morning. It's a nice calm morning, so I'm getting a reflection in the water of the colorful trees, and I'm just playing around with different compositions. This part of the reservoir sort of meets at a point up there, but the color is really on the left side of the frame here, so I'll probably focus more on that. Well, I put my long lens on and I'm trying to get some close-in shots of some of the sun splashing against these trees as the sun rises. Well, the sun has risen, and it is really splashing against these trees on the reservoir here. So just sticking around, getting some shots of this brilliant color. It's a really super sunrise. Well, I'm gonna head home now. Got some nice shots, nothing epic, but certainly don't mind being out with this beautiful scenery at sunrise. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner so you don't miss future videos. And until next time,